tandies in the desert?
Let's do it.
Alrighty, your car's drifting, boys. Where are we?
We're at the drift track in Dubai, baby. Pro Drift Academy has invited us out.
Guys, we have something very special. So we happen to meet our people anywhere we go in the world, and we are at Pro Drift Academy in the UAE, and we are here at their amazing facility with multiple drift cars, a skid pad, our crazy carts.
My name is Mohammed Shahab. Welcome guys to Pro Drift Academy UAE. It's a pleasure to have you guys. Welcome to the home of professional drift training.
My name is Khaif Farasi. I'm the youngest drifter in the Middle East, a graduate from Pro Drift Academy, and today we're really excited to have very good tandems with very good drivers.
We teach people to drift A to Z. We have 10 levels in total and around 3 to 4 courses, all the way from rookie program to a Drift King program. At the same time, after people who take the Drift King program, we can start tandems as well.
First time drifting internationally, just here to have fun. I'm here to have fun, and this is just mind-blowing. Just you have no idea what's behind the camera and the things that we're about to do. Thank you guys so much in advance. And
no worries. It's a pleasure to have you guys.
You ready to ride a fast pro level drift
Can't
cart?
wait.
Yeah.
we're in the Taxi Garage Academy. Quick to school for them here.
So anyway, yeah, how do they find you?
On our Instagram, our website, and phone call.
We are going to give a tour real quick. Then we're gonna hop in the cars, have fun, rip the carts,
everything.
right?
Carts and cars. That's the
And we're
thing.
gonna try,
Carts and cars.
and we're gonna
carts
try
and cars.
not to crash anyone's car, right?
No.
That's the goal here. How many?
So people start off from level 1 to level 6 on the black cars, and then they move on to the green cars.
Was that DEI?
Yes.
Shout out DEI for being out here in the UAE as well. Shout out FDF. Thank you for supporting all of us out here.
So this is a customer's car. He did not even finish the Drift King program, and he got hooked to drifting. So we went all out, and we got him the guy from Drift Masters, Andreas Vasiliauskas. He builds cars as well, and we got him his E92 M3. Small workshops and small area to store our stuff. Shout out to Motul as well. So this is my pro car. It has 2JZ built engine, Garrett G3900 turbo, and some Sonos dog box, and I went to a quick change, and BC two-way suspension on it. Weighs around 1,160 kilograms, which is pretty light.
It's pretty light.
Yep, and we're just nailing the setup at the moment. As you can see, the battle scars all over the car from OIDC.
Yeah.
So at the moment, it has 2 maps. Map 1 and 1.2, it makes around 510 to the wheel. And on 1.6, it's making 780 Newton meters of torque.
With a two-way.
Yeah.
You need to put your
BCs, we're sponsored by BC as well. I love this. We're literally the teammates at this point, and we didn't even know it.
This body kit at the moment on the car is actually from Duck.
Big Duck, RJ.
Yeah.
This is what I said. We're literally on the same team.
Shout out RJ, Big Duck Club.
100%.
We got gifts.
Yeah.
Gifts. Gifts. Let's do it.
Gifts. Everyone asks for a gift, right?
True.
150 of them were someone that you.
I don't know. These are just some leftover things. Stickers, and then these are all our cars.
Wow.
That's
that's
my
your
car,
car.
and that's my crazy cart
Okay, nice.
on the roof, right? Ryan's FC.
Appreciate it.
Give you guys a
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Can I put that little sticker on the little window?
transition. All right, all the way around. Front clip, front clip, rear zone, exit.
Whoa.
Alrighty, it's now time for us to go out in the cars. So we each have our own chariot here, right? All essentially Nissans, right? 2 G35s, 3 GTs. We're gonna go out on a lap. They've set the track up.
We just saw Khalifa do some
yeah.
test laps, and he shreds for 15, absolute ripper. And we're gonna go see what we can do in these cars. Thank you, Pro Drift, for having us here.
Babe, are you ready?
I don't know.
Good job.
Show off! Oh, that transition was snappy. That one right there, I thought you were looping, and it was great.
Sick.
All right, who's next? Who's next? Who's next?
Yo, good job, dude.
Dude, this is unreal.
We'll go into tandems.
Tandies in the desert?
Let's do it.
Good.
What do you got to say about all this?
Amazing. We're
Every
going to
day-
amazing.
every day here?
Yeah,
Having fun.
every
the
day,
best.
yes.
How was it? How
so
was it?
good.
He was just up Nick's ass.
Yeah.
He was just, here I am.
I went as wide as possible.
We're good.
Something's broken in the front end. Let me swap parts.
Yeah, just go put
Go, 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 go.
Good?
One more time.
It's always when it's the last one, huh?
Of course, I had to blast his pro car, but you know what? It's part of the game, right? You spin, and if I'm on your door, the pressure was there, you know?
It was a little bit of a bump. It wasn't terrible.
No, it wasn't bad. I'm glad I didn't seriously damage your car, though, to be honest.
I saw you like so close.
We were matched perfectly. I was really in my head. I was like, this is going to be a great lap.
Yo, I'd say a success. What do you guys think?
Dude, amazing trip. This is like our first real day in Dubai, and look at what we've done. Ryan Taylor, epic shop at Palm Autos, the amazing cafe, 6.8 Cafe that we went to and saw all the amazing cars. And now we're here at Pro Drift Academy in Dubai, and we just drifted cars. Casey, our video guy behind the camera, Jeezy with a great tandem with Mohammed over there, and everyone got laps with the team. Everybody killed it. Amazing day. Thank you, Pro Drift Academy.
Thank you.
No worries at all, no worries at all.
you.
It's a pleasure to have you guys, honestly
So
speaking.
thankful.
Yeah,
No
Really.
problem, no problem.
We'll never forget this. Yeah, that was amazing.